So we're a training company, and we offer a series of training. The most well-known is called Demo to Win, helping software companies do demos more effectively, higher impact demos. But we offer other curriculum, and one of those newer workshops is storytelling. It's very popular. It's anywhere from, I would say, medium to large software companies. So we have clients like ServiceNow, Microsoft, Salesforce, those types of folks. And then we also have mid-sized companies. That's been great. Good turnaround. And this is today was a great example because it was Friday afternoon. Actually, where I'm at is Friday evening. So it depends where you are. But yeah, and I was really concerned about a possible security breach. So, you all jumped in and helped out, and we figured out it wasn't an issue, but that just the same, we really needed to make sure that we had that corral. Sure, I would absolutely recommend you. I think that your ability to respond timely is what really matters. And then in this case, we're able to escalate. So it's always great and talk to somebody. That's the last thing. So the fact that we could escalate it and actually have a conversation with you when we thought it was really that serious. But typically we'll talk to one of your techs and be able to solve the problem. And we do have folks around the world that are supportive.